Hello my dear students. In last lecture we have completed up to question number 65. Now read question number 66 carefully. The equation of plane passing through the point 2, 0, 5 and parallel to the vectors. Point दिया है हमें 2, 0, 5. Point is given 2, 0, 5 and it is parallel to two vectors, b vector as I cap plus minus j cap plus k cap, and c vector is given 3 I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Now therefore we can find the n vector as b vector cross c vector, that is nothing but ijk. This 1 minus 1 1 and 3 2 minus 1. Take this cross product. 1 minus 2 minus I cap, minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 means plus 4j cap, and 2 plus 3 plus 5k cap. Means we can say that direction ratios of normal are nothing but minus 1, 4, 5. Therefore, equation of plane is minus x plus 4y plus 5z is equal to, it is passing through the point 2, 0, 5 means it must satisfy this equation. Substitute these values here. It is minus 2 plus 25 means it is nothing but 23, and your final equation is x minus 4y after multiplying it by minus sign minus 5z is equal to minus 23 means plus 23 is equal to 0. Check your option. X minus 4y minus 5z plus 23 is equal to 0. Option A is your correct option. Option A is the correct option. Now next, question number 67. Such type of questions we have solved already. Equation of plane passing through the points, 2 points, passing through the points minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1 and perpendicular to the plane x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 5. Again we are going to prefer here the trial and error method. Option A is 2x plus 2y plus 3z is plus 3 is equal to 0. Check whether the first point satisfies this equation or not. Substitute x is equal to minus 1 and 1. Here minus 2 plus 2 0. 0 plus 3, 3 plus 3 is not 0 means option A is not correct. Option B, it is 2x plus 2y minus 3z is equal to 3. Now check. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. Minus 3 is equal to 3. It is not correct. Now option C, it is 2x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 3. Check whether this equation is satisfied by first point or not. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. 3 is equal to 3. Yes, it is satisfied by this point. Now check for this one. It is 2 minus 2, 0 plus 3. It is also satisfied by the second point. Now check whether it is perpendicular to this one or not. Means the dot product of coefficients of x, y, z must be 0. Means it is 2 plus 4 plus 6. It is not 0 means option C is also not correct. Now check for option D. Option D में क्या इक्वेशन है देखिए. 2x plus 2y minus 3z is plus 3 is equal to 0. Now check it. Minus 2 plus 2 minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0 means satisfied by first point. 2 minus 2 0 minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0 satisfied by second point. And take the dot product. It is 2 plus 4 minus 6 is equal to 0 means these two planes are perpendicular to each other means option D is correct option. ट्रायल एंड एरर मेथड इसमें सबसे बेस्ट मेथड होगी, लेकिन आप ऑप्शन सी को अगर देखेंगे तो ऑप्शन सी इज सेटिस्फाइड बाय बोथ द पॉइंट्स बट इट इज नॉट परपेंडिकुलर टू दिस प्लेन. यानी हमें सभी कंडीशन चेक करना जरूरी है व्हेन यू आर यूजिंग ट्रायल एंड एरर मेथड. अदरवाइज फाइंड द डायरेक्शन रेशियोज ऑफ दिस line AB and the direction ratios of this required plane is perpendicular to both these lines. Therefore we can say that taking the cross product of this AB vector and n vector from this, we will get the normal vector to this plane, and then using the point and the normal vector we can find the equation. Here option D is your correct option. Now question number 68. The vector equation of plane passing through the point 1, 2, 3 and parallel to each of the lines. First line is given whose direction ratios are 1, 3, 0. Sorry, 1, 0, 3. Equation is given like x minus 1 upon 1 is equal to z minus 1 upon 3. Comma y is equal to minus 1 means its direction ratios of n1 vector we can say or b vector are nothing but 1, 0, 3. Another line is x upon 2 is equal to y minus 1 upon minus 3 is equal to z upon minus 1. Therefore its direction ratios of c vector we can write that are nothing but 2, minus 3, minus 1. Now find out the normal vector which is the cross product of these vectors because plane is parallel to these two lines. Therefore n vector is equal to ijk 103 and 2 minus 3 minus 1. That is equal to 0 plus 9 9 I cap minus 1 minus 6 means plus 7 j cap and minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3 k cap. Use the formula r vector dot n vector is equal to a vector dot n vector. R vector dot n vector means 9 I cap plus 7 j cap minus 3 k cap is equal to dot product of these vectors is 9 plus 14 minus 9 means is equal to 14. Check the options. R vector dot 9 plus 7 minus 3k is equal to 14. Option C is your correct option. After that question number 69. Equation of plane passing through the points 2, minus 1, 3 and perpendicular to vector 3i plus 2j minus k is. Now look at the options whether it are given in vector form or Cartesian form. It is vector form means use directly r vector dot n vector is equal to a vector dot n vector means r vector dot n vector is 3 I cap because it is directly given perpendicular plus 2j minus k and a dot n means dot product of this one is 2 into 3 6 minus 2 minus 3 that is equal to 1 means r vector dot 3i plus 2j minus k is equal to 1. Option A is your correct option. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? चलो आगे चलते हैं. While finding the equations, first of all understand the question carefully क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से अंडरस्टूड कीजिए, इंफॉर्मेशन क्या दी है. आफ्टर दैट डिसाइड द मेथड टू सॉल्व द एग्जाम्पल. एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करने की मेथड डिसाइड कीजिए. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स इन द प्लेन वी कैन सॉल्व द एग्जाम्पल बाय यूजिंग ट्रायल एंड एरर मेथड. हर क्वेश्चन में हम ट्रायल एंड एरर मेथड यूज कर सकते हैं. जैसे क्वेश्चन नंबर 68 में भी अगर लाइंस पैरेलल है तो उस प्लेन के डायरेक्शन नॉर्मल को ये लाइंस परपेंडिकुलर है, यानी जब भी हम इनका डॉट प्रोडक्ट लेंगे, जैसे 9 इंटू 1, ये डायरेक्शन रेशियो निकाले, 9 इंटू 1, 7 इंटू 0 एंड -3 इंटू 3 दैट इज -9. 9 -9 ये 0 आना चाहिए इसका डॉट प्रोडक्ट. वैसे ही इसका इसके साथ भी डॉट प्रोडक्ट 0 आना चाहिए. जैसे 18 -21 प्लस 3 दैट इज ऑल्सो 0. मीन्स तीन कंडीशन चेक कीजिए, वेदर दिस पॉइंट सेटिस्फाइज द इक्वेशन एंड whether this vector is perpendicular to both this. Here also we can use the trial and error method. Here also we can use the trial and error method. हर क्वेश्चन में आप ट्रायल एंड एरर मेथड यूज कर सकते हो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 70. इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन पासिंग थ्रू द पॉइंट्स 1, 1, 1, 1, -1, and -7, -3, -5. अब तीन पॉइंट्स दिए हैं. 3 पॉइंट्स, द इक्वेशन विच इज सेटिस्फाइड बाय ऑल द 3 पॉइंट्स इज सेड टू बी द रिक्वायर्ड इक्वेशन. जैसे ऑप्शन ए में गिवन इक्वेशन है कार्टेशियन वेक्टर फॉर्म में, लेकिन हम इसको कार्टेशियन फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. जैसे पहला इक्वेशन है 3x - 4y + 1 = 0. चेक करो. 3 - 4 + 1, it is satisfied by this point. Check for this point. 3 + 4 + 1 is not 0, means A is not your correct option. Option B, 3x 3y - 4z + 1 = 0. Once again check it. 3 - 4 + 1, yani this equation is also satisfied by this point. For this point, now it is -1, means -3 - 4 + 1, it is not 0, means option B is not satisfied by second point again. Now for C, it is 3x - 4z + 1 = 0. Now check it. 1, 1 यहां पे डालेंगे. 3 - 4 + 1, it is 0. 1 और 1 यहां पे डालेंगे. 3 - 4 + 1, it is 0. Check for this point. 3 into -7 is nothing but -21 + 20 and +1 is also 0. Means option C is satisfied by all the 3 points given. Therefore option C is your correct option. 3 points जब दिए हैं तो यहां पे ट्रायल एंड एरर मेथड सबसे बेस्ट मेथड हो गया आपको. लेकिन इसमें अगर आप एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन की थोड़ी सी गलतियां करोगे तो गड़बड़ खा जाओगे. एंगल बिटवीन द प्लेन्स r वेक्टर डॉट i कैप -2j कैप + 3k कैप + 4 = 0 and r वेक्टर डॉट 2i कैप + j कैप -3k कैप + 7 = 0. cos थीटा का फॉर्मूला यूज करना है. mod of 1 into 2 is 2 -2 -9 upon √ of 1 + 4 + 9 into √ of 4 + 1 + 9. That is nothing but equal to mod of -9 upon 40, and therefore theta is equal to cos inverse of 9/14 is your answer. Answer is C. C is your correct option. Check your notes. Write the solution. सिर्फ ABCD टिक मार्क मत करो, सॉल्यूशन करो. आप खुद सॉल्व करो इसको. आप खुद सॉल्व करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है while attempting the exam, while taking the प्रैक्टिस करते समय भी आपको खुद को सॉल्व करना बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। आप खुद सॉल्व करोगे तो कंसेप्ट याद रहेंगे, कंसेप्ट याद रहेंगे तो आपको एग्जाम में दिक्कत नहीं आएगी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 72, द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ द लाइन x plus 1 upon 1 is equal to y plus 3 upon 3 is equal to z minus 2 upon minus 2 with the plane 3x plus 4y plus 5z is equal to 25। क्या पूछा है देखिए, पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ लाइन विद दिस प्लेन, तो इसको हम लैम्बडा कंसीडर करेंगे। तो पहले जनरल पॉइंट ऑन दिस लाइन ये फाइंड करेंगे पहले, दैट इज 1 इंटू लैम्बडा माइनस 1, ये 3 लैम्बडा माइनस 3 एंड माइनस 2 लैम्बडा प्लस 2। ठीक है, नाउ इट्स मस्ट सेटिस्फाई, इफ दिस पॉइंट lie on this line, it must satisfy this equation, यानी 3 into x, 3 lambda minus 3 plus 12 lambda minus 12 minus 10 lambda plus 10 is equal to 25। ये 15 lambda minus 10 lambda is 5 lambda, ये minus 15 plus 10 is minus 5, उधर जाने के बाद plus 5 यानी 25 plus 5 यानी lambda is nothing but equal to 6। लैम्बडा की वैल्यू 6 आई तो पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट क्या आएंगे देखिए, देयरफॉर पॉइंट हैज कोऑर्डिनेट 6 minus 1 is 5, 18 minus 3 is 15 and minus 12 plus 2 is minus 10। तो 5, 15, minus 10 is the point of intersection of that line and plane। Option B is your correct option। Next, question number 73, the Cartesian equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection, Cartesian equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of the planes, दो प्लेन दिए हमें, r vector dot 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap is equal to 1। दूसरा प्लेन दिया है r vector dot I cap minus j cap plus 4 is equal to 0, and the plane which is passing through the line of intersection of these two planes is perpendicular to third plane दिया। अब देखिए पहले इनको कार्टेशियन फॉर्म में लिखेंगे हम, इसका कार्टेशियन फॉर्म होगा 2x minus 3y plus 4z minus 1 is equal to 0। इसका कार्टेशियन फॉर्म आएगा x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0। Now the equation of plane passing through the line of intersection of these two planes is given by the formula 2x minus 3y plus 4z minus 1 plus lambda into x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0। Therefore, we can say that the general equation of plane is 2 plus lambda into x plus minus 3 minus lambda into y plus 4z plus minus 1 plus 4 lambda is equal to 0। Okay. Therefore, we can say that क्या है इसके डायरेक्शन रेशियोज, therefore direction ratios of this plane are, direction ratios are 2 plus lambda minus 3 minus lambda and 4 is perpendicular to the plane This plane is perpendicular to. Next plane is given r vector dot 2I cap minus j cap plus k cap plus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, direction ratios of its normal are 2 comma minus 1 comma 1. Now, when two planes are perpendicular to each other, their normals are also perpendicular to each other. यानी इनका जो डॉट प्रोडक्ट होगा, that is 2 into bracket 2 plus lambda minus 1 into bracket minus 3 minus lambda plus 4 is nothing but equal to 0. Therefore, 4 plus 2 lambda plus 3 plus lambda plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, we can say that 3 lambda is equal to minus 11. Therefore, lambda is equal to minus 11 by 3. Now, put this value of lambda either here or here to find the equation of plane. Now, it is very easy to find there. It is therefore equation of plane, required plane is 2x minus 3y plus 4z minus 1 minus 11 upon 3 into x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Multiply this by 3. It is 6x minus 9y plus 12z minus 3 minus 11x plus 11y minus 44 is equal to 0. Therefore, minus 5x plus 2y plus 12z is equal to 47. Therefore, we can say that r vector dot, अब इसको minus 5i plus 2j, तो एक बार ऑप्शन चेक करते हैं which form is there. It is in the form of Cartesian. It is 5x minus 2y minus 12z is equal to minus 47, means plus 47 is equal to 0. Check out the options. Which option is correct here? Option C is your correct option. Remember the procedure to solve the examples. एग्जाम्पल को सॉल्व करने की प्रोसीजर अच्छे से याद रखिए. Now read next question, question number 74. Find the distance between the parallel planes. पैरेलल प्लेन्स का डिस्टेंस, जैसे हम पैरेलल लाइंस का डिस्टेंस फाइंड करते हैं वैसे ही डिस्टेंस फाइंड करना है. 74. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन इज r वेक्टर डॉट 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 6k cap is equal to 5. Another equation of plane is r vector dot 6i cap minus 9j cap plus 18k cap plus 20 is equal to 0. First of all, we have to make the coefficients of x, y, z common here. Multiply this equation by 3 to make the coefficients of ijk same, that is r vector dot 6i cap minus 9j cap plus 18k cap is equal to 50 या minus 15 is equal to 0. अब हम फॉर्मूला यूज कर सकते हैं. डिस्टेंस बिटवीन पैरेलल प्लेन्स इज d1 minus d2 divided by under root of a square plus b square plus c square. This is very easy formula which is very similar to the distance between two parallel lines. तो हम इसको, it is nothing but mod of 20 minus 15 means it is 20 plus 15 divided by under root of a square is 36 plus 81 plus 324. Now take their addition. It is 360 plus 81 is 441. The small of this is 35 upon under root of 441 is nothing but the square of 21. It is more of 35 upon 21 means it is 5 by 3. Distance is nothing but 5 by 3 units. Check out the answer. 5 by 3 units. D is your correct answer. D is the correct answer. Next question. Question number 75. Look at for question number 75. If the line r vector is equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap plus lambda into 2I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap is parallel to the plane r vector dot 3I cap minus 2j cap plus mk cap is equal to 40. Now these two lines are line and plane are parallel to each other. When line is parallel to the plane, we can say that that line is perpendicular to the normal to that plane. तो इसके ये डायरेक्शन रेशियोज है और इसके ये डायरेक्शन रेशियोज है. इनका डॉट प्रोडक्ट 0 होना चाहिए. तो 6 minus 2 plus 2m is nothing but equal to 0. Therefore 2m is equal to minus 4 means the value of m is minus 2. Check your option. The value of m must be minus 2. Answer B is your correct option. B is the correct option. समझ में आ रहा है? Next, MHT-CET के क्वेश्चन चलेंगे. उसमें है 2008 का क्वेश्चन. Read it carefully. The line joining the points minus 1, 4, 5 and 2, minus 3, 1 is cut off by ZOX plane. अब ऐसे क्वेश्चन हमने लाइन में सॉल्व किए थे. ZOX प्लेन से वो कैसे डिवाइड होता है, तो हमें देखने हैं सिर्फ y कोऑर्डिनेट्स. ये y कोऑर्डिनेट के साइन कैसे है, अपोजिट साइंस है. Therefore we can say that internally in the ratio 4:3. ZOX प्लेन बोलने के बाद इट्स y कोऑर्डिनेट्स के बारे में देखना है कि ZOX प्लेन से किसी भी पॉइंट का डिस्टेंस यानी उसका y कोऑर्डिनेट होता है. तो ये y कोऑर्डिनेट का जो रेशियो होगा दैट इज द रेशियो इन विच दैट प्लेन डिवाइड्स मींस ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. देन MHT-CET 2009, a point on ZOX plane divide the joint of 5, minus 3, minus 2 and 1, 2, minus 2 at. अब फिर से देखेंगे हम y coordinate because plane is given ZOX plane and therefore we can say that internally in ratio 3:2. Internally 3:2. तो पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट्स निकालने के लिए हमें सेक्शन फॉर्मूला यूज करना पड़ेगा. Therefore point has coordinates 3 into x2 means 3 plus 10. 3 plus 10 upon 3. 3 plus 2 that is 5. उधर लिखता हूं मैं. सेक्शन फॉर्मूला यूज करना है. पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट आपके सामने है एंड रेशियो भी आपको पता है कि इन विच इट डिवाइड्स जब भी आपको पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन निकालना है तो पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन के लिए यहाँ पे सेक्शन फॉर्मूला फॉर इंटरनल डिवीजन यूज करना पड़ेगा। अगर डिवीजन एक्सटर्नल है तो एक्सटर्नल डिवीजन यूज करना पड़ेगा। तो यहाँ पे जो पॉइंट है, पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट्स आएंगे 3 into 1 that is 3 plus 2 into 5 is 10 upon 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 into 2 is 6. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 upon 5. And 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 divided by 5. Means that point P has coordinates 13 by 5, comma 0, comma minus 2. This point is said to be point where the zero-x plane divides the joint of these 2 points. Next, question number 2 from 2009. Equation of plane passing through the points minus 2, 2, 2 and 2, minus 2, minus 2 and perpendicular to plane, perpendicular to 9x minus 13y minus 3z is equal to 0. Here also we can use the trial and error method. Option A, equation is given 5x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 0. Check whether this point satisfies this equation or not. Minus 10 plus 6 plus 4, that is 0. Means this point satisfies this equation. Put this point 10 minus 6 minus 4, 10 minus 10, it is 0. Means it is satisfied by both the points. Now just we have to check whether these are perpendicular or not. Means take this dot product. We have it is 5 into 9, that is 45, minus 3 into 13, minus 13 is minus 39, and 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 is equal to 45 minus 45 is equal to 0. Means dot product is 0, means they are perpendicular to each other. Means your option A is the correct option here. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 2011. Theta is angle between r vector dot n1 is equal to k1 and r vector dot n2 is equal to k2. Then cos theta is equal to, it is nothing but n1 dot n2 upon magnitude of n1 into magnitude of n2. Cos theta is equal to, option C is correct. ये डायरेक्टली फॉर्मूला है जो पूछा गया था. नेक्स्ट 2016 का क्वेश्चन देखिए. एक्यूट एंगल बिटवीन द लाइन एंड प्लेन. लाइन एंड प्लेन का जो एक्यूट एंगल है उसके लिए हमें साइन थीटा का फॉर्मूला यूज करना पड़ता है. पहले डायरेक्शन रेशियोज ऑफ लाइन फाइंड करेंगे. डायरेक्शन रेशियोज ऑफ लाइन आर, लुक एट दिस. Equation is given r vector is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap plus lambda into I plus j plus k. Means direction ratios are given 1, 1, 1. Direction ratios of normal to the plane. Direction ratios of normal to the plane n vector. They are given. What is the equation of plane? R vector dot 2I minus j plus k is equal to 5. Therefore, its direction ratios are 2, minus 1, 1. Use the formula of sin theta. Same formula use करना है. Mod of 2 minus 1 plus 1 divided by under root of 1 plus 1 plus 1 into under root of 4 plus 1 plus 1. That is nothing but equal to mod of, this is nothing but 2 upon root 3 into root 2. Means it is nothing but root 2 upon 3. Root 2 by 3 sin theta. यानी थीटा की वैल्यू क्या आ गई है इसमें? थीटा इज नथिंग बट साइन इनवर्स ऑफ रूट 2 by 3. थीटा इज इक्वल टू साइन इनवर्स ऑफ रूट 2 upon 3. चलो इसको नोट करो जल्दी जल्दी.